Hi, it's Bruce. I thought I'd show you a little tip that I'm doing right now. You know, I love my bees and I'm spending a lot of time with them, but I also do some gardening. I'm not very good at it, but I try my best. Have you looked at the price of buying pots for plants these days? Man, they're crazy. And the wife made the suggestion, but you know, I like to drink my water like this, you know, spring water. And I thought, why not just use these for pots? So what I do is I put this this little spade bit on here, 3/8 inch spade bit on my drill. Come out here, put on a little bit of music. I'm listening to some U2 right now. And I like to put 4 holes in the bottom. Now this thing has got a ridge around the outside and it goes up a bit in the middle. So I put my holes kind of on that ridge so that water is going to drain out real good. And then I just go through these bottles and I drill them. Pretty easy. Now, once I get done with drilling holes, and I mean this works for other kinds of bottles too. Here's some real lemon. I've already drilled 3 holes in that one. Then you just get a little razor knife and you pick your spot. You be careful you don't cut yourself. And then you just kind of try and cut it off evenly. And this is certainly not rocket science. I got off on my line a little bit. And I just want to try and make it to where I don't have any sharp edges to, you know, cut your finger when you're trying to do this stuff. Okay, there's a good little 3-inch pot. When I'm done, I got a bunch of little funnels if I want them. Sorry, my next door neighbor is a bit happy with his leaf blower across the street there.
Good stuff, huh?
Hello, birds. What are you doing? You're not going to mess with my garden, are you? Come on. Why don't you go away? Go on. Yeah, go on. The bugs are better over there anyway. Silly birds. Anyway, this is my little garden at the moment. That's canola over there. Actually, it's more my wife's garden. This is a kind of radish. My wife's Korean and we eat all this stuff. But what I wanted to show you is here. This is how my little pots go. This works just about perfectly for this. All right, just a quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it. The birds know I'm not going to mess with them. You know, I see them going around my beehives quite a bit. And when they do, you know, so far they don't seem to mess with the bees. But if there's a bee on the ground, they'll snatch it up. But I haven't seen them mess with the hives. I'd be a little more excited about them being in my yard if I saw them messing with my bees. Okay, I'm out.